So, as I shared with you, I was up 4 grand in 15 minutes on Friday.
I
Then I ended
remember.
the day minus 5,500, which didn't sit well
I remember
because
you
I wasn't
messaged
patient.
me.
I was not patient. So you kept on saying you won't be, don't be scared if So this morning, I stuck with the stock picks that the pre market setup.
Good.
Patiently stayed in there, earned my stuff on that. I jumped in the Netflix 2 minute candle. It went south, but here's the thing: I'm up like 2,100. I'm down now. It's only minus 400 on Netflix. So once that starts bouncing back, I'm gonna put my stops in, call it a day. I
Yep.
have one contract of SPX. I'm gonna ride the whole day because it looks like a green day.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
But yeah, it's funny you said that about the if you're ahead, you won't be scared. And I was just getting chicken shit.
Yep.
So
Yep.
now I was down like minus 1,000 on Netflix, but I'm like, well, I already have 1,200 up. There's nothing to be scared of. It can't go down really any further, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully. So now I'm just being patient. Now it's just that now since we've been talking, it's minus 365. So again, that encouragement helped out, and now I know when I'm ahead, just stop and don't be stupid. So
Yeah, for sure. And you probably have lesser amount of contracts in there. So like your SPX is still making money, right? SPY's getting ready to make new high a day
oh
again.
my God, the number
Yeah.
of contracts I went out with today was so scant. I
Yep.
mean, I started off the day with two SPX.
Yeah.
I sold one as it climbed up just to kind of make some money. I sold the other
Perfect.
one as it went up even more.
Yep.
Grabbed another one as I saw it going up again. I hate paying the premium, but at the same time, I want to make sure I recoup my
Yeah. And
investment.
now it's new high a day.
So I'm patiently staying in Netflix. I'm gonna ride it
Good.
out.
Good. Now, isn't this a much easier going trade than
Less stressful.
yeah, it's not. I'm telling you, it's not stressful, man. And you're not trading so much, which means you're reducing your risk, right? The lower the amount of trades we make, the lower the risk.
And
Because,
now it's watching paint dry, just
yeah,
watching this Netflix, get back up.
because here's the reason, and I don't know if you guys understand when I say that. The reason is because every time you have a trade right out of the gate, it has the opportunity to go against you, right?
Mm-hmm.
The good thing is once you get in a trade and it goes green, right? Now you've already gotten past that, it could go against me. Well, now you can let it ride.